I'm having a moment, and I don't know if I'll actually even share this or not, but I'm having a moment that is just like complete emotional overwhelmingness. We just crossed the border into Mexico today and got to Chihuahua. It is stunning, but this is our camp spot for the night. And let me walk just a few feet so I can kind of show you. And down. So this is like all the mountainous area, and this is normally like where the river would flow. And you just drive for miles and miles until you find a camp spot that your truck can get up, because most of the entrances to the campsites are 100% high clearance 4-wheel drive. Anyways, that's not the point. I'm driving and I'm having this moment of like emotional, like overwhelming abundance of joy, of just how happy I am that I've continued to make that I've continued to push and fight to make the life decisions that I have made, because I'm so incredibly grateful to experience places like this. And especially now with Porter, my little black bear. This is another bear zone, so I cannot get away from bear zones for some reason. Oh my god, I can actually drive up here. So I had to drive up this hill here, and it looks like I can actually continue driving up this way. Yeah. So we'll check it out on foot first, but I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so happy that I keep pushing forward. And oh my god, like, look at this rock. What? I cannot believe this is my life, and I'm just so grateful. That's it. Oh my god, so I am looking at the weather and I'm like, I cannot get away from this rain. And there's actually a hurricane, Cat 4.